Hi children, welcome back. In the last class, we have discussed relation between hypotenuse, base and altitude of a right triangle. Today, we are going to discuss drawing squares. Shall we start the class? Okay, draw a square of area 10 square centimeter. We have to draw the square by using Pythagoras theorem. Students, how 10 can be written as the sum of two perfect squares? Okay, 10 is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. The sum of two perfect squares. Okay, 3 square equal to 9 and 1 square is equal to 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. Here, base equal to 3 centimeter and height or altitude is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. First of all, we draw a right triangle with the base AB equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Then draw a perpendicular through the point A and mark a point C on the perpendicular such that AC equal to 1 centimeter. Join PC. Then we got a right angled triangle ABC. Then by Pythagoras theorem we know that area of the square drawn on the third side will have the area 10 square centimeter. So we have to draw a square on the longest side of this triangle. Okay. Measure the distance BC using a compass and place the compass tip at B. Draw an arc. Okay. Then draw a perpendicular through the point B using a protractor. And this perpendicular cut the arc at the point D. Then we have to measure the length PC using a compass and place the compass tip at C and draw an arc. Then we draw a perpendicular at the point C. That perpendicular cut the arc at the point E. Then join T. Now we got a square CPTE of area 10 square centimeter. Next question, draw a square of area 20 square centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem, 20 can be written as the sum of two perfect squares. Okay, so 20 equal to 16 plus 4, that is 20 equal to 4 square plus 2 square, sum of two perfect squares. Here base equal to 4 centimeter and height or altitude is equal to 2 centimeter. In this question we have to draw a square. So first of all we draw a right angled triangle with the base PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Then draw a perpendicular through the point P. Mark a point R on the perpendicular such that PR is equal to 2 centimeter. Then join RQ. Next we have to draw a square on the longest side of this right triangle QR. Okay. Then measure the length of QR. Then place the compass tip at a Q. Draw an arc. Okay. Then draw a perpendicular through the point Q. And the perpendicular cut the arc at the point S. Similarly, we have to draw an arc at the point R and draw a perpendicular through the point R which cut the arc at the point T. Join ST. Now we got a square RQST of area 20 square centimeter. Next we have to do one more question. Draw a square of area 11 square centimeter. In this question, 11 cannot be written as the sum of two perfect squares. So 11 can be written as in another form, that is 6 square minus 5 square is equal to 11. First of all, we have to draw a right triangle of base 5 cm and hypotenuse is equal to 6 cm. For that, draw base AB is equal to 5 cm. Then draw a perpendicular at the point B. Then place the compass tip at A. Draw an arc of length 6 cm which cut the perpendicular at the point C. Then draw a square on the third side PC. For that, we extend the line up to the point D such that BC equal to BD. Then draw a perpendicular through the point C and draw an arc of length BC which cut the perpendicular at E. Join D. Now we got a square BDEC of area 11 square centimeter. Okay children, here is an activity for you. Draw squares of area 40 square centimeters and 65 square centimeters. The chapter Squares and Right Triangles is over. Thank you.